very uncomfortable and, dare I say it, a night not fit for man nor beast unless you're really bundled up. Bitterly cold tonight, patchy flakes. Interesting, we're not talking about falling snow. This is what little snow we have on the ground being blown around by those very strong winds. Nasty sub-zero wind chills, but as quickly as we've dropped into the freezer, we're about to warm up in a very big way looking through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And of course, I said, not a night fit for man nor beast unless you're outside and bundled up. Well, my friend Babs Santos just happens to be that, bundled up in a big way at the U. And Babs, it seems like a redundant question, but what's it really like out there?
It's cold, it's windy, it's getting dark. Of course, the wind advisory started about 3 hours ago, set to go until midnight. And if you just take a look behind me up there, yeah, it's getting a little bit colder, but you might still be able to make out all of those flags really just getting moved around by this powerful wind tonight. Of course, just this morning, temperatures were in the 30s. And once the wind picked up, though, those temperatures really came down quickly. It's just made for a cold day on campus here, yes, at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, where students had to brave the elements to get to and from their classes.
It's so windy. Like, I walk and the wind just pushes me. It's just like the wind is pushing me home and it's telling me to go home.
And these wind gusts are topping 40 miles per hour tonight, ahead of what could be a dangerous wind chill overnight. Live at the University of Minnesota, Babs Santos, Fox 9.